In today's video, you will learn how you can recover your deleted images and video. So let's start. So first you have to open your Play Store, and in search menu you have to type recovery videos. So you have to download this application. If you already have downloaded, then make sure your app is up to date. So after that, click on continue and wait for few seconds or few minutes so your application has installed. So let me download. Then now click on open. So now wait 2 to 3 seconds, then click on continue to app. Now click on next. Now click on next, then done. So you have to skip all ads. So let's do it. Now you have to allow permission. So you have to allow your location. So let's do that. After that, click on skip, then click on deep scan option because I want to recover my data. So again ad will appear. So now wait for few seconds. It will scan our file to recover our data. So here you can see my all images and photo has recovered. This is very easiest way, you must try it. So hope so you like the video. If you like the video, then like my video and share with your friends.